But one of the things that I really enjoy is the outdoors. I always have my camera with me. When you live where I live, there's always a photo opportunity. I feel that 50% of photography is being there. If you can't get there, you can't get the photo. When I broke my leg and I looked down and saw it hanging off, I figured it was gone. I never thought they would ever put my leg back on. On October of 2014, I was working as a painter and I was painting a house.
So Delvin was on a ladder on the job when he fell off the ladder. He sustained a complex fracture.
So you can see both bones are completely detached.
He developed an infection and he was referred here to see if we could prevent an amputation and salvage his leg.
If they couldn't get that infection out, they were going to have to amputate. Dr. Stoneback had told me that he was going to do everything he could to save my leg.
I always tell patients that you're in good hands, but this is a marathon, not a sprint. When you come here to the limb restoration program, what you want is a team that does a lot of this type of work that communicates. The collection of specialists required to deal with these complex problems are not available just anywhere, and they happen to be centered here on this campus.
Every surgery I had, I felt very confident that they knew what they were doing and that they were doing everything they could.
Limb restoration work is very much like a chess match. One of the first things we did was take all of the plates and screws out and deal with the infection with Dr. Carla Savelli's help and the infectious disease service. I enlisted the help of my plastic and reconstructive surgery colleague, Dr. Mathis. Dr. Mathis actually took an abdominal muscle and used it to cover the ankle wound.
Pretty amazing to think that someone can take your stomach muscle and put it on your leg. I never even thought of such a thing, but I'm glad somebody did.
Delvin was a phenomenal patient. Going through those steps with someone, seeing them from the darkest point of their life to their restored self. Now he's back to doing the things he loves and he's ecstatic with the outcome, as am I.
I'm very thankful that I have my leg. I go a little slower than what I used to go, but hey, I still go, and I've got the pictures to prove it, so.